Say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Where are you going?
To Vietnam.
Welcome to our travel vlog. Today we're flying from Dubai to Hanoi via Hong Kong with Cathay Pacific. Let's go! We start our journey at Dubai International Airport, Terminal 1. Here's a ride, a Boeing 777-300. Ready for boarding. Inside the cabin, it's spacious and clean. The crew was friendly and we settled in for our 7-hour flight to Hong Kong. During the flight, we had a relaxing in-flight experience with delicious meals and entertainment on board. Malapit na tayong mag-landing. As you can see, we're flying over the Green Hills and soon enough, we'll be touching down at Hong Kong International Airport. And we're here, guys. Nakarating na tayo. And now we're here inside Hong Kong International's Terminal 1. This place is massive and grabe, sobrang modern. From luxury shops to food courts and everything in between. Lahat ng kailangan mo, parang nandyan na. And madali lang din mag-navigate dito kahit na ang daming tao. It's super organized. So instead na sumakay ka ng bus papunta sa Satellite Concourse, gumawa sila ng sky bridge. Napakataas, guys, oh. Yung eroplano dadaan sa ilalim. Ganda ng view. Sobra. Ito ang parang heaven for plane spotters nakatulad ko. Ganda. Ang saya lang makita yung mga aircraft in action. And you'll also notice the glass walls along the walkway connecting the terminal, giving you that floating above the tarmac feeling. It really adds to the excitement when you're transitioning to your gate. Mahaba pa naman yung layover namin, so pumasyal muna kami dito sa Skydeck. Konting tour, saka photo ops. Ganda ng view, guys. Kung may chance kayo mapunta dito, mag-layover, yeah, don't miss the chance na visit to, Skydeck. Next flight na. This time, sakay kami ng Airbus 321 papuntang Hanoi. Around 2 hours lang naman ang flight time. And habang nakatanaw ako sa bintana, nakita ko tong eroplano pinupush back. Gamit lang ang remote control. high-tech na talaga. Dito na tayo sa northern part ng Vietnam and aerial view niya sobrang ganda. Mountains, rivers at rice fields. Ang green and peaceful ng northern Vietnam. Welcome to Hanoi. Smooth landing sa Noi Bai International Airport. Excited na kaming makita ang city. Thank you Cathay Pacific for an amazing and safe flight from Dubai to Hanoi. The crew was so welcoming, the service was top-notch, and everything went smoothly from takeoff to landing. Feeling super grateful for such a comfortable journey. Hanoi. From the airport, dediretso na kami sa Old Quarter, Hanoi. Doon kami nakabook ng hotel namin. So, ang travel time is more or less 30 minutes. Nakarating din kami dito sa Old Quarter, Hanoi. Ganda ng vibe. Daming tao. Napaka-lively. Ganda ng atmosphere. Daming street foods. And excited na kaming i-explore ang Hanoi. Stay tuned sa susunod na vlog. Yun, after 3 hours of waiting, dumating na si Kuya. First time niya mag-ibang bansa. Nakakatuwa at nasundan din niya lahat ng instructions. Dito na si Sean.
Basic.
Ayos boy.
You did it. Good job.